Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Inventive Tech, a channel dedicated to new ultimate gadgets and innovations. In this video, I'm going to share the 7 smallest pocket knives which can be very beneficial for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and I guarantee you will surely love this. Let's get started. Number 7. SticKnife. The SticKnife is a pocket knife that has been meticulously designed to be both very discreet and original. Instead of folding out from the body, the blade in a SticKnife extends by twisting the end of the handle. The aircraft-grade aluminum body measures just over 3 inches long. The blade itself is 1.77 inches long when fully extended and isn't the cheap piece of metal you might find in other mini knives. Some people never leave home without a knife, and for those that consider their choice of blade as much a fashion statement as their shoes, SticKnife is fully customizable. Buyers can mix and match options like rounded or beveled blades, steel color, handle color, and more. Number 6. Eclipse. Made from 24 individual parts, the Eclipse features a Wharncliffe-style blade made from 4-4 stainless steel with a handle made from G10 FR-4 fiberglass epoxy. What starts as a coin shape quickly morphs into a small but grippy knife that helps you tackle all those daily tasks. It also has a keychain loop that's great for paracord, keys, or lanyards. Offered in 2 colors, the silver option has a bead-blasted 440C frame, links, and blade. The black option features a 440C black oxide handle and links and a 440C black coated blade, both with black G10 scales. Number 5. Braza Bro EDC. The Braza Bro is smaller, lighter, and less expensive, but retains virtually all of the functionality of its larger sibling. Features such as flipper deployment, a frame lock, pocket clip, and others. The Braza Bro utilizes tiny stainless steel Torx head screws to secure its frame together. It has a gallery of features that can be used to assist you with simple tasks and big jobs. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not the size of the knife that matters, but how well made, functional, and sharp it is. Number 4. Dart. Dart is a micro pocket blade that can change the way you carry your pocket knife. At only about 2.5 inches in size, it can fit on your keychain without weighing you down. The simplicity of the design brings out a clean look that would never go out of style. For this blade, 440C heat-treated stainless steel has been used for its excellent edge retention and superior corrosion and wear resistance. With a smaller sized pocket knife, gripping becomes much more difficult. For this reason, the handle area has been redesigned carefully to maximize grip. Number 3. The Wesson, or Wesson. The Wesson is a titanium body microblade measuring in a total length of 3.75 inches. It has all the practicality and versatility of a full-size knife, but at a fraction of the weight and the size of a house key. This knife is built to go absolutely anywhere you want to take it. Well, other than airport security, of course. In fact, that's why it's called the Wesson. West, east, south, and north. Every direction, every destination. The Wesson can go there. By using top-grade components, the Wesson is made with some of the best materials at an affordable price. Grade 5 titanium and AUS 8 steel. Number 2. Everyday blade. The Everyday blade is an extremely sharp, tiny, and versatile pocket knife that fits 12 types of razor-sharp blades. Among them are scraper blades, angled precision blades, jog blades, straight blades, and curved blades. The Everyday blade is deployed from the folding position by way of a spinning cog with protruding knobs for easy grip. A sliding mechanism locks the blade in place in both its open and closed positions with a pocket clip and keyhole built into the body for easy carry when you're on the move. Number 1. The Haswell Survival Knife. Each Haswell knife is handcrafted with care and forged from the most durable, long-lasting materials. Whether you're an expert bushman or casual camper, the Haswell knife will get the job done. Made from 1095 high-carbon steel, the Haswell knife features a full-tang blade designed to last a lifetime. The Scandi grind blade is perfect for bushcraft and outdoor survival. The wedge-shaped edge allows for maximum efficiency in cutting, battening, shaving, and more. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did by making it. Let me know by commenting below which pocket knife you like the most. If you want to buy any of these knives, the links are right in my description. That's all for today, and if you liked this video, then support us by sharing with your family and friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Don't forget to throw this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.